2D backlog that I'm about to show you, or possibly we could call it a multi-dimensional backlog, represents the backlog in TFS in a way that business people, stakeholders, product owners, as well as the team can understand more clearly. It works across 2 dimensions, which I'll show you in a second. The first thing to do is to choose the project and the iteration paths or area paths that you want to look at. Hit load. And what we're doing is just retrieving the current state of each PBI. So it comes back quite quickly, and we'll hide that bit. The first return shows you all of the work across in the vertical element is the time horizon, if you like, the iterations, and along the top are the area paths. So the area paths are something that the business would understand. This is terminology or a way of looking at the backlog that business people get instantly. Now the pie charts in this view show where the work has happened. So back in the first release of this product, that's where the work was focused on. The current release is this one, is Monetize SA, and you can see all the work that's going on. Now, like with the other charts in SenseAdapt, a lot of this data is now held in the browser, and we can very quickly sort of click through it and have a look. So if I wanted to see, for example, where all the candidate stories are at the moment, I can very quickly see which of these area paths have candidate stories in them. We're looking at the pie chart view at the moment, but I can easily toggle between that and the bubble chart view. So this one shows us all the different PBIs in the bubble chart, and the color represents the state and the size of the bubble represents the size, obviously. So if we go back to all of them, take out the removed, take out, maybe we can see the live ones now back here. If we take those out, so that's everything that's gone live already. So we're now looking at current state. We can clearly see where the work is due to happen. The other thing we might want to do is, if we've used tags rather than area paths, or as well as area paths, we can represent a view of the backlog that shows it by tag. So if we look at the tag view, we can see where the work has happened, and again, something very easily to present back to the business. We've got the title over here, which is draggable, which shows what settings we had when we selected the data, and we can hide that as well. Like with the other SenseAdapt applications, if I drill into any one of these, I get to see the PBI itself, and then I can open that straight away in TFS or Jira, just by drilling down in it and seeing it below. So we've made these charts interactive. We want people to explore them and then to take action based on them.